What's up guys, it's Aaron. Today we're coming at you with another fun one. We're at the Landscapers Depot here in Lebanon, Tennessee, and we're installing a Fountainscape for their customers to see Aquascape products, Aquascape fountains. We're gonna put in an urn, a sphere, 2 spillway bowls, and some really cool basalt columns. We're gonna put lights on them, an automatic dosing system, automatic water fill, so that this thing is always looking its best for customers that come into the rock yard here and look at the products, the new offerings from Aquascape. They're gonna have a cool little Fountainscape to let the kids walk out to and splash around in and reach out and touch these things, and the customers can really experience what a Fountainscape could look like in their space. So it's pretty cool, it's exciting. We're doing some little bit of fancy plumbing to make this thing get dialed in just right with a manifold system. It's gonna be pretty cool. We've got about 11 AquaBlox in this thing with a pump vault and an AquaSurge 4,000 to 8,000 pump to power it all. So stay tuned and we'll show you when we're done.
Hey guys, Brandon here from the Landscapers Depot. Let's talk about clean earth. These guys did an excellent job installing these 4 fountain kits for us. Everything that you see in this area is sold here at the Landscapers Depot, so I contacted Aaron, told him I wanted to incorporate all of these in our displays. They linked everything together, and man, is it fantastic. Everything from the urns, spillway bowls, spheres, basalt columns, they really made all of this a unique area and put it together in an exceptional way, exactly how we wanted it. So if you think Fountainscapes are cool, you just wait to see what they got cooking up.